with a Kodak. Or better yet, go to Times Square, take a picture of me with a Kodak. Took my life from negative to positive, I just want y'all to know that. And tonight, let's enjoy life. Pitbull, Naya, Neo, that's right.
Somebody sexy, tell them, hey, give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight.
Take advantage of the night, cause tomorrow I'm off to do battle, perform for a princess. But tonight, I can make you my queen and make love to you endless. It's insane the way the name growing, money keep flowing. Hustlers moving silent, so I'm tiptoeing. So keep blowing, I got it locked up like Lindsay Lohan. Put it on my life, baby, I'ma give you a ride, baby. Can't promise tomorrow, but I promise tonight.
Excuse me, and I might drink a little more than I should tonight. And I might take you home with me if I could tonight. And baby, I'ma make you feel so good tonight, cause we might not get tomorrow.
On top of your girl. When I'm involved with this deeper than the Masons, baby, baby, and it ain't no secret. My family's from Cuba, but I'm an American idol, getting money like secret. Put it on my life, baby, I'll make it feel right, baby. Can't promise tomorrow, but I promise tonight, darling.
Excuse me, and I might drink a little more than I should tonight. And I might take you home with me if I could tonight. And baby, I'ma make you feel so good tonight, cause we might not get tomorrow.
bem leonina, menina mandona, linda, sabe da sina, mina valentona, fina, cheia de razão, rainha foliona. Ela descortina o novo e bota fim na zona. Teu olhar ilumina, abomina o cafona, amazona e bailarina toda bonitona. Ela é purpurina, skinny, paquitona. Nove da matina, um café na poltrona. Dona da rotina, mamãe corridona, defina, efeito sanfona. Se acha esquisitona, cafeína, maracujina, moça respondona. Feiona em dia ruim, mas sempre bela dona. Maestrina do lar e popstar Madonna. Sou fina, dança, opina, sorri e faz carona. Quer ser minha pequenina e pro mundo grandona. Meu negócio da China, caipira, brigona.
Eu gosto tanto dela, a ponto de querer tá perto e pronto. Não tem outro jeito de me ver sorrir. É louco o efeito dela aqui. Eu gosto tanto dela, a ponto de querer tá perto e pronto. Não tem outro jeito de me ver sorrir. É louco o efeito dela aqui.
Igual buzina em dia nervosona. Santa sem batina, ganha tranquilona. Hipnotiza a retina, flash figurona. Estrela maior do show, se precisar machona. Via igual neblina, alegre fanfarrona. Brilha igual platina, prima sabichona. Ave de rapina e musa pras telona. Pro ritmo matina e lá vai corona. Ela é paz pra Palestina, fé pra Babilônia. Respeito, disciplina, boba e brincalhona. Estricnina, TPM vira felizona. Ela abre o circo, ela recolhe a lona. Diz que tá gelatina e malha pegadona. Vira destaque da piscina, satisfeita mona. Messalina, corajosa, do lar e chorona. Faz tudo quando quer, eita mulher durona.
Eu gosto tanto dela, a ponto de querer tá perto e pronto. Não tem outro jeito de me ver sorrir. É louco o efeito dela aqui. Eu gosto tanto dela, a ponto de querer tá perto e pronto. Não tem outro jeito de me ver sorrir. É louco o efeito dela aqui.
Club arrogant like yeah, top like money so the girls just mail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, selling no shares. Fall out cause that's the business. All out is so ridiculous. Zone out, so much attention. Scream out, I'm in the building and they're watching. I know this, I'm rocking, I'm rolling, I'm holding. I know it, you know it.
You know I know how to make them stop and stare as I zone out. The club can't even handle me right now. Watching you, watching me, I go all out. The club can't even handle me right now. The club can't even handle me right now.
Hey, still feeling myself, I'm like out of control. Can't stop now, more shots, let's go. 10 more rounds till I get a KO. Paparazzi tryna make me pose. In the party till I can't no more. Celebrate cause that's all I know. Tip the group
king is dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand.